In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio of images in Webflow. Whether you're refining a portfolio, updating your website, or simply experimenting with design, understanding how to adjust image ratios can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by selecting the image you wish to modify. Once you've clicked on it, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the Style tab. This is your go-to hub for making aesthetic adjustments, encapsulating various design elements, including what we need for our task at hand. Scroll down until you find the Size section. Once you're there, look for the More Size Options button. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu specifically geared for adjusting dimensions. This is where you'll find the ratio settings. In this drop-down, you'll discover an array of preset ratios ready for you to experiment with, such as 4:3, 16:9, and many others. These presets are fantastic for those looking for quick, standardized solutions. But if you have something more specific in mind, Webflow empowers you to create a custom ratio tailored to your exact needs. Tailoring ratios allows for precision and creativity, ensuring your images match your vision perfectly. Now, after you've adjusted or selected a preferred ratio, you might notice that your image doesn't appear quite right. It might look morphed or squished. This happens because the new dimensions might not naturally align with the original size and shape of the image. But don't worry, there's an easy fix for this. All you need to do is open the Fit drop-down. Within this menu, you'll see options like Contain and Cover. These are essential for refining how your image fits within the newly specified area. Contain keeps the entire image visible, ensuring no part gets cropped out, while respecting the ratio you've set. On the other hand, Cover fits the image to fill the entire space, maintaining no empty areas but potentially cropping some edges. The choice here depends on your needs and what looks best with your design. So, play around with these settings and see what gives the most visually pleasing effect for your image. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you're able to control and customize the aspect ratio of your images within Webflow. This skill not only enhances the aesthetic quality of your work, but also adds a professional touch to any project you tackle. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.